Hello everybody, my name is Martynas. I graduated Northern Lithuanian College and I graduated Economics of Financial Institution. This is the best place for your studies because this college has so good lectures with high qualification, and there is a lot of people who helps you in every station, so you won't have any problem here. So this college gave me an opportunity to study abroad. I was in Turkey for 5 months, and I was studying in Kocaeli University. Every year we have a sport event in our college. Everyone from here meet each other and just have a good time. But most important thing in our college, talking about sport, is our basketball team. I'm the member of it, so if you want to play basketball, just join us.